Looking at these markets and delaying its IPO, Leslie Picker joins us now. Leslie?
Hey, Scott. Yeah, this one, according to the Wall Street Journal, citing sources familiar with the matter, is Chime, another fintech company, reportedly delaying their IPO, at least their public filing, to get that process really starting. These markets clearly kind of the nail in the coffin, whether they're a temporary nail in the coffin for the capital markets or a more permanent one remains to be seen. But we've seen a whole host of companies really kind of pausing their plans to go public. We had Klarna and StubHub, according to people familiar with the matter, that were set to start their roadshows just next week, now have put those plans on hold. Hinge Health is another one that has filed its prospectus publicly. They had a kind of a longer timeline. They weren't looking to launch their roadshow until later in the month. So those plans are kind of up in the air, remain to be seen just as we watch this market volatility unfold. And talking to sources, the key issue here is that investors are really so distracted by what's going on in their own portfolios. They don't have time in a market like this to take meetings and talk about prospective new issues, new companies tapping the public markets. And so that dynamic is difficult. And then also, just kind of the overall recent IPO market and how things have unfolded there, performance isn't amazing. So it's not one of those things where one could say that the IPO window is dramatically open. But this is important for the revival of the capital markets. It's something I'm sure will be a topic of conversation as banks kick off earnings a week from today, Scott.